Sa tuwing tinatanong puso ko, saan ba ang hantong laging ikaw ang tinuturo? At sa aking paghakilap ng aking mga pangarap, laging sa'yo pumapatungo. Pag-ibig ko,
I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love and honor you all the days of my life. As we stand before God in our loved ones today, I vow to love you with all my heart and soul.
It feels surreal that we are here now, stating our vows in front of the Lord and the people who are important to us, who prayed for us since day one. I remember the day when we started planning and listing our desires, then I prayed for it every day and surrendered to the Lord. And because of His faithfulness, here we are now.
Pero ikaw ang aking sigurado.
I promise to love you unconditionally, as our Lord Jesus Christ loves us, and to build a life together, rooted in faith, hope, and love.
Adrian Cabausares, I desire to be your wife. I have prayed that God would lead me to His choice, and I am confident that His will is being fulfilled now. And I am excited to grow old with you, to be beside you every day of our lives. I love you.
Mr. and Mrs.
Pagkat
Lydian and Catherine
natagpuan.
Cabausares, congratulations. How about big hand for them? You may now kiss the bride.
O pag-ibig ko, ikaw ang aking mayabang, ang aking hilom, dinalangin mayabang, sagot sa aking tanong. Ikaw ang kalmado kong hangin, ilaw ko sa dilim, sa bukas na darating. Ikaw ang gabay kong bituin, saysay at dahilan ko, buhay ng aking kwento, sa mundo kong puro pera. Ikaw ang aking sigurado. Alam mo ba, munti ka na sumuko ang puso ko, sa paulit-ulit na pagkakataon na nasaktan na bigo.